Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. My name is Johita, and I hope you guys are doing well. Nude makeup is really on trend these days, and I thought I would do a tutorial for you guys to show you how to get a nude makeup look. If you want to learn how to create this look, please keep on watching the video right till the end. But before we get started, I have something really exciting to share with you guys. Amazon is having its mega fashion weekend sale every weekend in all of April on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So don't miss this opportunity to buy all of your favorite products at great discount on the Amazon Mega Fashion Weekend sale. Their spring summer sale is live and they have a huge collection of spring and summer items. So don't miss that out as you can pick up your summer essentials at great prices. As usual, I want to mention a few things about Amazon. Amazon has a huge variety of products. They have good quality products. They have affordable prices. They have huge discounts. They have easy returns and refunds policy. They have free and fast delivery. And if you're a Prime member like me, you get 1 day delivery, which is really cool. And their customer support is absolutely amazing. So it's always a pleasure to shop from Amazon, and it's always a pleasure to work with Amazon. All the products that I'm going to be using in this video today are available on Amazon, and you can shop them at great prices. Also, I will leave the links of all of the products in the description box. So do remember to check that out if you're interested in buying any of the products. Also, I will create an idea list with all of the products that I'm showing you today. So you can browse the entire collection in one go. Just something to make your life a little easier. And with that, let's get started. I started with the Miss Claire Illuminator Makeup Base. This does exactly what it says. It is a shimmer base. However, I feel like the shimmer is a little too much for me. But as you apply more products onto your face, it does kind of settle down and gives you a nice finish. Next, I applied my tried and tested Lakme Absolute Primer. I really like this primer. It's really lightweight and gives a very smooth finish to the skin, especially at times when we have bumpy skin. For foundation, I'm mixing two different foundations from the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It's 310 Sun Beige and 332 Golden Caramel. Usually 310 Sun Beige works for me. However, I'm quite tanned right now due to the summer months. So I'm going to mix the 332 Golden Caramel as well. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. This is again my most tried and tested concealer. It gives a very nice finish. It's perfect for my skin tone, and they have a great shade range. Now I'm going to set my face with the Sugar All Set to Go Translucent Setting Powder. I've used the powder a couple of times by now, and it's very finely milled. It gives a great finish. I do like to stop a little bit after this step just to let all the products settle in. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Nykaa Eyes On Me 10-in-1 Beachside Peach Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to start with the dark brown shade to use as my brow definer. Next, I'm using the RENEE Fab 5-in-1 Nude lipstick as my cream contour. An easy hack to know where to place your contour is to just feel your cheekbones and draw a line right underneath the bone structure of your cheeks. And blend it out using a contouring brush or simply your fingers. Coming back to the eyes, I took this light brown shade and ran it along my crease line in circular motion. I needed to go in 2 to 3 times with the color to get the desired payoff. Next, I went in with this dark brown shade for my eyelid. This is a 100% matte eye look because nude makeup is all about enhancing the features of your skin and not really covering it up with a lot of color. Overall, I was really happy with the color payoff of this palette, and I love the fact that there was hardly any kickback from the palette. At this price, I think I rarely see a palette which has very little kickback. I went in with the same light and dark brown shades on my lower lash line too. I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force Face palette in the shade Subtle Summit. I'm using the highlighter for my inner corners and brow bone. I'm using the very popular Maybelline Colossal Kajal in the shade Black. It glides very smoothly and does a fab job. Next, I've used the Swiss Beauty Pop Eye Eyeliner in the shade Mud Brown. It's a very decent eyeliner for the price. However, I would recommend the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner over this if you have a slightly higher budget. For mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. It's again a pretty decent mascara. It has good color payoff. However, it's not my favorite mascara from Maybelline. I really prefer their Hypercurl Lashes Mascara. Dipping back into the face palette, I'm using the bronzer for my powder contour. I'm applying it in the same places where I applied my cream contour. I'll also contour my nose with this. Onto the blush, I'm going to place it just above my contour, which is the little depression right under the cheekbone. Finally, the highlighter goes right on the cheekbone as well as the tip of the nose and the cupid's bow. For lipstick today, I'm using the Kiro Matte Moist Lush lipstick in the shade Nude Garnet. I really like the feel of this lipstick. It's very hydrating and moisturizing while having a matte finish. Finally, to lock in my makeup, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural. This has a very strong citrusy smell, but I do like the overall feel of this product. It does lock in the makeup very beautifully. So this is the final look. I created this look using very easy to use products, very affordable products, and I got them all at great discounts on Amazon. So do check out the Amazon Mega Fashion Weekend sale. As I mentioned before, Amazon has put together a great collection for spring and summer fashion, so don't miss that out. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and let me know which of the products you think you would want to buy, and share this video with your friends. I have a couple of other videos that I would like you to check out, so do check them out. Come follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of my makeup and fashion stuff on Instagram as well, so do come and follow me there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.